24-year-old James Holmes had his first appearance in court.
Ordinarily, individuals are entitled to bail. Given the nature of the charges, you are currently being held on a no-bond hold.
Holmes stands accused of a Rambo-style shooting at a suburban Denver movie theater. 12 people were killed. Dozens were injured during a screening of the Batman thriller series, The Dark Knight Rises.
In a case like this, the investigation doesn't stop. It will continue up to trial. And so as we find more information, we want to make sure we've got the right charges.
Police say Holmes, who recently quit a doctoral program in neuroscience at the University of Colorado, plotted and planned a horrific assault, amassing a small arsenal of weapons and 6,000 rounds of ammo in the months leading up to the shooting rampage.
Anything less than the death penalty will send the wrong message.
Legal analyst Gregory Gianforcaro says it's no surprise that prosecutors are considering the death penalty. Today in court, Holmes sat with his hair still dyed an orange-red color, appearing sleepy and disoriented. There are reports he may try for an insanity plea, but Gianforcaro says it won't fly.
He prepared this situation by setting up those explosives in his apartment. So obviously he's thinking about this. He's premeditated in what he's thinking about.
Victims will be impacted by that decision in an enormous way for years if the death penalty is sought. That's a very long process that impacts their lives.
While prosecutors prepare formal charges against Holmes, another victim talks about the nightmarish ordeal. He was in the adjacent theater and apparently prevented Holmes from coming in.
He was coming my way at a pretty good pace. I didn't want to take a chance, so I closed the door. He was banging on the door for about 5 seconds, and then he stopped.
Police say Holmes is not cooperating with investigators. He was represented by a public defender in court today. Brenda Harry.
Thank you, Joanne. The deadly rampage is prompting New Jersey Senator Frank Lautenberg to push for tougher gun safety laws. Lautenberg is urging Congress to pass legislation he introduced last year to ban the sale of high-capacity ammunition clips. And he's calling on the National Rifle Association to join the fight for sensible gun safety reform.
There is no earthly reason that one can support that says we have to protect the interests of people who want to buy these things.
Lautenberg says no sportsman needs 100 rounds to shoot a duck. The NRA argues that all we need is for existing gun laws to be enforced.
Well, the family of the movie massacre suspect James Holmes is speaking out through their attorney tonight. Craig Boswell is live in Centennial, Colorado with that part of the story for us tonight. Good evening, Craig.
Good evening to you.
I'm
sorry, I missed... Go ahead. Yeah, I missed your intro.
I beg your pardon, Craig. I know we're having a little communication problem.